Imagine a sculpture that sneezes. Thanks to cutting-edge nanotechnology, researchers have developed sculptures embedded with microsensors that detect changes in air quality. When pollutants or allergens are present, these sculptures sneeze by releasing a harmless mist, alerting nearby individuals to potential air quality issues. This innovation not only adds an interactive element to public art, but also serves as a real-time environmental monitor. By integrating art with technology, these sculptures are revolutionizing how we perceive and interact with our surroundings, making public spaces both beautiful and informative. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech wonders.